Welcome to part 3 of this tutorial on how to create your own content management system using the WordPress.com software. Now, I'm going to get straight into it. We're in this third part now. We now have to make 6 important adjustments, and we're about to do that now. First one is to add your own header image, and you remember we go to this link up here, Sam's WordPress tutorial. We can see the structure of the website, or the blog as it still is at the moment. We have this Sam's WordPress tutorial. This is the header image. You'll see that we created a home page, we created an about page, we created a news page, we created a links page, and we also created a contact page. Where is that? We'll find out that in a minute. But this here is the image, and you can change that. You can make it an image relevant to your organization. Well, let's do that. So let's go back down here to site admin. And do you remember site admin is the dashboard? So here we go. And the instructions: add your own header image. So what you do is you go to part 1 of this, go to appearance on the left hand side. That's here. Appearance, click on that, and then you're looking for header. So there it is, header. Click on that, and here you see the image that we've got on the website. That's the one, and underneath you've got a range of options. You can select one of these images, or you can upload, you can browse from your computer. You can browse any image that you want. Now you've got to use quite a low an image with quite a low file size, so I'm going to use one of these because they're already made for me. So go for something like this attractive one there, and you're going to click on that. Oh, I've done the wrong thing. I need to close down this window here, so I'll do that up here. And now I can go down here, click on that. In fact, you know what? I want this one here instead. Save changes, and we expect to see a change in the photograph of the header. Let's just check the front page of the website and see. So I'm going to click up here and see what that's done to the front page of the website. And there you have the website again. You've got Sam's WordPress tutorial, you've got the sun, and you've got our links there. So we're going to go back down to site admin, which takes us back to the dashboard, and we're going to crack on. So we've changed the header image. Now we're going to remove the widgets from the sidebar. So at the dashboard, go for appearance and widgets. So appearance, click on that, and we're going to go to widgets. And what you have to do is you have to go up to this part of the web of the dashboard. Remember, we're in the dashboard here. Up there, that's the recognizable dashboard. So we're at the other side of it here, and you'll see you've got the primary widget area. If we can close that down, we've got secondary widget area, first footer, second footer, third footer, fourth footer. The footer, for your information, is the image, is the area at the very bottom. This, move this over. This, thank you for creating WordPress. It's the bit at the very bottom, or the foot of the website and the web page. So we're going to go back up here, and the instruction tells us, oh, I've moved to the wrong one. The instructions tell us to remove all the widgets. So click on that one, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drag it down, because I can't do that. I'm going to show you where we're going to drag it down to. We're going to drag it down into this inactive area. So I'm going up here, I'm going to scroll up a little bit, I'm going to get that one, dump it in here, meta, I'm going to get categories, come down, dump it in there, search, I'm going to bring it down. Now while I'm doing this, some of these actually remain, they're default and they have to stay. There are ways of getting around that. So we just dump them all, and we'll see which ones cannot be moved. Bring that down. Inactive widgets. So this is the inactive widgets area here. We go back up to the oops, back up here, and we can see primary widget area, there's nothing in here, it's empty. Let's just check the other one. Secondary, empty. First footer, empty. Second, empty. Third footer, empty. Okay, so that should be empty, and what we have to do is to go down to the bottom of the site. Oh no, there's no save for that. Let's just go to up here, press that, and see what's happened. Okay, so some of the functionality that was here has disappeared. We've still got the text box, still got the archives and the meta, and that's it. But some other stuff has disappeared. Okay, so moving right along, we're going to go back to the site admin. You need that. Turning the page, and now we're going to complete the. Oops, I'm on the wrong page. Page 5. We're going to remove the comment facility and then number each page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go across to the left hand side. I'm looking for pages. Where's the pages is here. Click on that, and we're going to go to. Let's go up a little bit. So here's pages. We're going to go to edit. So we're actually on the edit pages already, and we're going to start. In turn, we're going to do two things. We're going to click on the about page. We're going to edit it. This takes us to the about page here. And what we're going to do, first thing is we're going to disable the comment facility, and you do that by going down here, allow comments. Now we're going to unclick those, and we're going to go across here, and we're going to put a number on it. Now this is the about page, and the about page is going to be number 2 in our in the order of the navigation from the left to the right. That's along the top, and number 2 of course is number 1. So the first, which is the home button, that will be 0. So the next button beside it will be number 1. So we put number 1 there. I'm going to go up here to press update. It's going to take a minute to do that. I'm going to do that with each one. So we're going to go back to pages. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to edit home, and we're going to go down here. I'm going to unclick those so that we disable comments. I'm going to go along here, and remember that this is the home, so this is 0, so that stays as it is. So we're going to go up. Oops. So we're going to go and update this. Now, unfortunately, I made a mistake and moved that button down here. This update button should be up here. I can't move it now. Okay, I'll have to remain down there. So I need to crack on and get the rest of them done. And I'll finish those after. Next, I'll finish those remaining ones after this because I'm running out of time. The next step, once you've removed the comment facility and numbered each page, is you will adjust your site title and tagline. Now you go to settings, which is down at the bottom, the left hand side. Go to general, and you'll see here you can change this. You remember from the front page it says just another WordPress. Well, I'm not going to call it that. I'm going to call superb tutorial WordPress tutorial. There we go. I'm going to check my spelling. That's fine. The site title is fine. There's the tagline, and I'm going to save that by going down to the bottom and saving. And then I'm going to set my proofreading settings, which is the last thing to do, and that is to let me see, click users, and that's here, and then click personal settings, and then I'm going to go down here. Where are they? A post. Tick the 2 boxes marked. A post page is first published, and that's one here as well, and then that's me finished. And now the next part of the next tutorial will be adding content to your website. So I'll stop now to start the next part of this, and we'll talk about adding content to your website.